When you step into a home you've just inherited, the sheer volume of decades of accumulated belongings can hit you all at once. That physical weight quickly turns into a serious logistical hurdle if you live out of state, or if you are simultaneously trying to navigate the complexities of probate law. There is a precise method to sell an inherited property exactly as it stands today. You won't need to rent a single dumpster, and you eliminate traditional real estate commissions entirely. To start, you only need two things: basic information about the house and the legal authorization to sell it. By bypassing the traditional real estate preparation phase, you turn what looks like a devastating month-long cleanout into a straightforward, predictable financial transaction. Step 1 is initiating contact to begin the as-is sale. You will provide basic details about the property and outline your specific circumstances, like whether the home is currently in probate or if you are managing the estate from another state. This initial outreach is usually done over a quick phone call or by submitting a simple online contact form. Once we have your details, we move right to step 2, the property evaluation. We can schedule a brief in-person walkthrough, or if you are out of town, we evaluate the home remotely using photos and a virtual tour. Before this evaluation happens, you must not attempt to clean, organize, or stage the house. We evaluate the home exactly as it is, regardless of its condition or how many items are left inside. Skipping the cleaning phase saves you weeks of grueling physical labor, and it prevents you from sinking upfront capital into a property you are actively trying to exit. Step 3 is receiving and reviewing your fair cash offer. This happens within a rapid 24 to 48-hour window after the evaluation. This shows how the cash offer is structured. The estimated cleanout cost is calculated and absorbed into the upfront number. Because we handle the cleanout, the document explicitly shows $0 charged for closing costs and $0 for agent commissions. Factoring the cleanout costs directly into the initial offer protects you from unexpected back-end deductions or hidden fees sneaking up at the closing table. With the offer accepted, we arrive at step 4, extracting sentimental items. You only need to identify and pack the specific things you actively wish to keep. This means gathering personal photos, vital legal paperwork, and family heirlooms. Everything else stays, including heavy furniture, broken household appliances, and decades of random belongings. Even abandoned vehicles sitting in the driveway require zero action from you. You simply take your small box of keepsakes and comfortably walk right out the front door, leaving the rest behind. This highly selective extraction policy completely shifts the physical burden of clearing a lifetime of accumulation away from the grieving family, placing it entirely on the buyer. Step 5 is selecting a closing date to finalize the legal paperwork. The buyer does not dictate this date. The timeline is entirely tailored to accommodate your specific scheduling needs. This calendar shows our rapid closing window. Month sales close within 7 to 14 days for sellers who wish to exit immediately. But if you require more time to sort through your loved one's estate, we stretch that timeline outward. Step 6 is the final phase, the post-closing cleanout and key handover. At the exact moment the sale closes, cash is dispersed and keys change hands. All legal and physical responsibility for the property permanently transfers to the buyer. You do not need to be physically present at the property to supervise the final cleanout. Our professional crews systematically sort through all remaining items. We donate usable goods to local charities and responsibly dispose of or recycle the rest. Dictating your own timeline and fully outsourcing the final cleanout allows you to detach from the property on your own emotional and logistical terms. By utilizing this controlled 6-step system, you successfully navigate a highly stressful probate-entangled life event. You retain your crucial family history, completely avoid intense physical labor, and secure your cash without sacrificing a percentage to hidden fees. And the remaining items that you choose to leave behind are handled professionally by our crews, finding new use where possible. Click the link provided below to access the initial contact form, or call the number on your screen to request your zero-obligation property evaluation today. Treating an inherited home as an as-is transaction offers a definitive strategy for achieving familial closure without forcing you to inherit the traditional burdens of real estate.